back with another video. White Golf one here. This is our one. It's having that random issue now and then. Not going into any gear. Certain times it was fine, so remove the gearbox like you can see there. Took out all the spline holes for the CV, but there was one where the threads were stripped. So I took it out with the whole drive shaft. You can see the threads are stripped. I took it out with the whole drive shaft, and I wanted to show you guys something. Sometimes it's not your rear main seal that is leaking. You have seals on your gearbox which causes the oil leak, like you can see there. How I know this is not a rear main seal leak, the flywheel itself doesn't have oil seeping through it, you know, from the back. Oil is coming from this end. So yeah, that's the job for today. Gonna take out the clutch, take out the flywheel, get the flywheel skimmed. Hopefully everything goes well. Put everything back, give the gearbox a good clean, remove the seals, and yeah, reinstall everything. Okay, like you can see, gearbox is on. Anyway, I want to talk to you about this little thingy here, your lever. Now, usually this part over here needs to set on the first line. You know, when you pick your clutch up, it needs to start hitting on this part here. Can you see the first line? It must hit there, first line. But what I noticed, different brands of clutches and stuff like that, and even if your push rod, which is damaged, you won't be able to get it to set like that. So this finger here goes inside the gearbox, and when you actuate the clutch, it knocks this part here knocks the releaser bearing in. Now, a lot of guys don't know that you can adjust. See, there's a keyway right there, there's a keyway there, and there's a keyway there. Now, a lot of guys don't know that you can adjust this. It's not meant to be adjusted because that is why it has a keyway in the bottom and the top, but you can adjust it by supposed to be there. There's a chair. I myself knocked, like, indented it, so this part can go freely. Now if I put it there, it doesn't matter. I could put it whichever direction I want to put it, and in that way you can control where you want the arm to go, if that makes any sense. So if guys, I know a lot of guys are putting spacers and the push rod and stuff is damaged, make use of this. Just get rid of the keyway. Let's see there. Get rid of the keyway that's there, and yeah, you can turn the spline in any direction. Put it back in your gearbox. You can adjust where you want your gear lever to set, and in that way, I know that a lot of spare shops and stuff sell incorrect clutch cables. You can play around with it and get it at the correct height.